let's talk about sugar. There are many different kinds of sugar. Powdered sugar, coconut sugar, cane sugar, light brown sugar, dark brown sugar, and many more. Sugar is made up of a molecule called sucrose. Why do you think we need sugar in baking? Well, of course, we want to keep our baked goods tasting nice and sweet. But there's more to sugar than meets the eye. There are 4 main functions to sugar in baked goods. 1. Sweetness and flavor. 2. Sugar encourages browning and caramelization. 3. Sugar leavens or helps activate the rising process. 4. Sugar helps baked goods hold its shape. We're going to look at the process of creaming butter and sugar. That's really how we get baked goods to get fluffy and hold their shape from the very beginning. Creaming the butter and sugar is a very important process when beginning to bake. The fat from the butter combines and whips with the sharp edges of the sugar and creates little air pockets that give the cake its lift. We're going to put 1 stick of butter and our sugar. Let's see what happened. Whoa! That is some fluffy chemistry going on.